All right, thank you. Thank you very much. This is really the last session of the conference. My talk is PyRant. Actually, I'm not talking about, so my rant is not going to be Python is slow, or Python is better than MATLAB, or something like Python is the best language of the world, which it is actually, but it is not. And the only advice I have for you, in case you have to choose between Java and Python, choose number 2. And the same also applies if you have to choose between Fortran and NumPy. Anyway, the rant I have is about this. Actually, is this taken from Twitter, and there's this guy saying, okay, data science code doesn't need to follow the rules of good software and engineering in general, because data science is not about creating software, but about experimenting with building prototype models. This is very wrong to me, and actually there's another Twitter very interesting, this from Socially, the creator of Keras, who's saying that buggy code is basically bad science. I really, really agree with this. And so basically, the main topic of this rant is we're talking about data science, not rather than this classical vision of Venn diagrams, just like math and hacking skills, but more like software engineering and artificial intelligence. The things I have been basically taken from this wonderful talk by John Grusz, how becoming not a data scientist made me a better data scientist. So he basically collected a series of things I want to share with you. Something like reliability. Actually, the Zen of Python says that. Reliability counts. So for instance, in case you have some code, you have fantastic and beautiful type hints now, which is not typing, of course, we know, but it's better for documentation. It's definitely better to have explicit iteration, so you remember explicit is always better than implicit, as the Zen Python says. And also, in case you have very, very compact function definition, I don't know if you can read it, maybe it's not, but it's not important. It's better to describe your code explicitly. Another thing, code review is very important. This is something we do, for instance. So typically, reviewing the code is really, really important. And also testing. Unit testing in particular. So, yes. And this is what I have. Actually, the real aim of this talk is to, actually, PyRant is Python Extraordinary Announcement. Yes, why not? Actually, I have this other things to share with you. I'm talking on behalf of the Python Italy, actually. We in Italy have a community of vibrant Pythonistas. Actually, we have Python Pizza, which has not been created in Berlin for the first time, remember? It's PyRoma, PyMilano, and PyFranto as well. Yes, in Naples. Last year, we got PyCon 9. Actually, it was Florence. It was from the 19th to 22nd of April 2018. PyCon 9 was the 9th edition of PyCon Italia. We got people from basically all around the world, from Russia, from South Korea, Australia, and also United States, but also other parts of America, as you said. As you see, Brazil or Argentina was really amazing. These were the number of last year. It was almost 450 Italians, and the rest of us were foreigners. So it was really, really a great conference. We enjoyed a lot. We had 5 parallel tracks per day, 2 parallel training tracks per day also, 6 trainings, 97 talks in general, 16 keynotes and lightning talks as well. And also we had this fantastic session with Antarctica with a good friend of ours, connecting from the pole. Well, it's really, really amazing. And now the announcement is it's time to move ahead. And so we're still, we're already working on the next year, conference. This conference will be again in this city, which is Florence. In case you don't know what Florence is or where is it, basically it's the city of Assassin's Creed, in case you're wondering. Yes. And since PyCon 9 was the 9th edition of Python Italia, the next one will be, we thought about PyCon Gucci, actually, we were talking about that, but it's not like that. It's going to be PyCon 10 or PyCon X. So, yes. And the logo is not ready yet, so it's not going to be that. But I can announce the dates. It's going to be May, the first week of May next year. Please, if you're interested, and all of you are invited, please check out PyCon IT in the next couple of days. And thank you very much. And before moving on to the next speaker, I would really got the opportunity to say a warm and the biggest I have thank you to all the organizers for this amazing conference. Thank you very much.